Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, we're going to scrub the backsplash in our kitchen area and test out how well we can get the grout to get back to the white after cooking, cleaning, washing, exposed to cooking oils, and all that sort of thing. So let's jump right into it and let's see how we're doing. Okay, so here I am using the cream cleanser of Barkeeper's Friend. I'm using a scrubbing pad and warm water and dish soap. I'm trying to get any kind of film or residue, first and foremost, that may be left behind from the cooking oils. And just general everyday cleaning. When you take just a washcloth and hot water and soap, it really kind of leaves more of a debris. So I'm trying to get a heavy duty cleaner to try to remove that as well. I'm hoping that first layer of the cleaner will do the trick for me, and then I can get more of a whitener going the second time around. But here you just see me scrubbing around the backsplash and trying my best to remove any films that may be lingering. Okay, it is now 11:43, and this is what we're looking at. It's dried now. Actually, it done a lot better than I thought. Now that it's dried, it's looking pretty good. If you can kind of see there, I'm going to try to give you an up closer view of it. I got to wipe it down again. But we're going to clean it up one more time and let it dry and see how that goes. So far, it looks pretty good. Now I'm using a magic eraser and just the Great Value brand. It works just as well as Mr. Clean. And I'm also using just some of the Simple Green spray, trying to get down and scrub my end tables. And then you'll see my coffee tables, trying to remove any dirt or any grime or dust that may be lingering there as well. I like to do that quite often. Also with my lamps or anything that I may have sitting on top of those tables, I like to get down and clean those up, make them shine. Okay, so I have removed the second coat. This is what we're looking at now. Give you more of a close-up look there. It did clean relatively well. I still would like to find something that's a little bit more of a grout whitener. Like here, it did great, but certain areas, like I would still like a little bit more clearer cut white lines. As you can see, it still didn't get those lines as white as I would like. It did clean the caulking pretty well. But I would like this to be whiter, so I'm going to look for a grout cleaner that makes it a little whiter, a little brighter. I am thinking of Zep grout cleaner. Zep has a really good reputation as a cleaner. But you know, most areas that were not heavy with the oils or washing and they weren't exposed to elements as much, they cleaned up pretty good. Just need something a little tougher that gets more wear around it. But stay tuned, we'll work on that a little more. Overall, I believe it did a very good job. And that was the Barkeeper's Friend on cleaning the tile backsplash in the kitchen area.